If you want to create a split-screen video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a clean split-screen layout using CapCut PC, step by step. This is perfect for reaction videos, comparisons, interviews, gaming clips, and any edit where you want two videos playing at the same time. It's a simple technique, but once you learn it, you can use it in so many different types of content. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project open, you can continue right from there. If not, start a new project and make sure you're in the main editing workspace so you can access the timeline and preview window. Next, look at the top panel and click on Media. This is where you bring in the video files that you want to use for your split-screen edit. Click Import and choose the first video you want in your layout, then import the second video as well. Once both clips are in your media library, you're ready for the next step. Now drag the first video down to the timeline. This first clip will act as the base layer, so place it on the main video track at the bottom. After that, drag the second video to a track above the first video. This is important because the top clip needs to sit over the bottom clip, so you can position each one independently and create that split-screen look. Once both clips are on the timeline, click the first video to select it, then go to the preview window and resize it so it only occupies one side of the screen. You can click and drag the corners or edges until it fits neatly on the left or right side, depending on the style you want. Make sure it stays aligned and doesn't cover the entire frame, because the goal is to leave space for the second clip beside it. After that, select the second video. Use the same resize controls in the preview window and adjust it so it fills the other side of the screen. Again, you want this clip to balance nicely with the first one, so the two videos appear side by side in one clean composition. If needed, move the second clip slightly so both videos are positioned correctly and the split-screen layout looks even. Take a moment here to fine-tune the placement. You can adjust the size and position of each clip until both sides look symmetrical or intentionally styled, depending on the effect you want. This part makes a big difference in how polished your final video looks. Once the layout looks good, the final step is to adjust the clip durations so both videos play at the same time. If one clip is longer than the other, trim it so the timing matches. You want both clips to start together and end together for the best split-screen result. Play back the timeline to check that everything lines up properly. If one side feels off, go back and make small adjustments until the timing and placement are both right. And that's it. You've now created a split-screen video in CapCut PC. It's a really useful editing skill, and once you know how to do it, you can use it for all kinds of creative videos. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.